Welcome back to Auto Hub Info, your go-to channel for the latest in the automotive world. Today, we're diving into something truly groundbreaking, the 2025 Ferrari Purosangue. Ferrari's first ever SUV has been making waves in the industry, blending performance, luxury, and practicality in a way only Ferrari can. If you've ever wondered what happens when an iconic supercar brand steps into the SUV game, stay tuned because we've got everything you need to know about this beast on wheels. Scene: montage of Ferrari Purosangue's development stages, archival Ferrari factory footage. The Ferrari Purosangue, whose name means thoroughbred in Italian, represents a historic shift for the brand. Ferrari has long resisted the SUV trend, staying true to its sports car DNA. But with the rise in demand for high-performance luxury SUVs from brands like Lamborghini, Aston Martin, and Bentley, Ferrari knew it was time to enter the market. The Purosangue isn't just another SUV, it's a Ferrari through and through, built to deliver an unparalleled driving experience. Unlike traditional SUVs, it retains a front mid-engine layout and a transaxle 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, ensuring a weight distribution that keeps it feeling like a true sports car. Scene: animated global heat map showing Ferrari Purosangue sales across different countries. When it comes to global reach, the Ferrari Purosangue has found a massive audience in regions like the United States, China, Europe, and the Middle East. These areas have a high demand for ultra-luxury SUVs, and Ferrari enthusiasts have eagerly added the Purosangue to their collections. The US market, in particular, has shown strong interest, with pre-orders flooding in even before the official launch. Ferrari's strategy of limiting production has only fueled demand, making this SUV an exclusive status symbol. Scene: footage of the Purosangue in high-end city environments, parked outside luxury hotels and mansions. In terms of popularity, the Purosangue is a game-changer. It has attracted both traditional Ferrari lovers and new customers who wanted a more practical Ferrari without compromising performance. Celebrities, entrepreneurs, and collectors have all been drawn to its unique blend of speed, comfort, and luxury. Despite purists initially questioning Ferrari's decision to build an SUV, the Purosangue has won over critics with its stunning design and track-level performance. Scene: action shots of the Purosangue accelerating, taking sharp corners, and demonstrating its high-speed stability. Let's talk performance, because this is where Ferrari refuses to compromise. Under the hood, the 2025 Ferrari Purosangue packs a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine, producing a mind-blowing 725 horsepower and 528 pound-feet of torque. It rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.3 seconds, with a top speed exceeding 193 miles per hour. These numbers are unheard of in the SUV world, placing the Purosangue in a league of its own. The all-wheel drive system ensures maximum grip, while rear-wheel steering provides agility that makes this SUV feel more like a supercar than a family hauler. Scene: footage of the Purosangue cruising on highways and city roads, focusing on fuel consumption stats. Now, when it comes to fuel efficiency, the Purosangue is naturally not the most economical choice. It's a V12 Ferrari, after all. It delivers around 12 miles per gallon in the city and 17 on the highway, making it one of the thirstiest SUVs out there. But let's be honest, nobody buying a Ferrari is looking for hybrid-like efficiency. Instead, they're after raw power, exclusivity, and an unmatched driving experience. Scene: Purosangue tackling off-road terrain, navigating snow, and driving in rainy conditions. But what about its real-world capabilities? Unlike most supercars, the Purosangue is designed for all kinds of roads. With an advanced adaptive suspension system, it glides over rough terrain while maintaining Ferrari's signature handling. The height-adjustable air suspension allows it to tackle off-road conditions better than you'd expect from a Ferrari. It even has a dedicated, wet, mode to handle slippery roads, ensuring confidence no matter the weather. Scene: interior shots of the Purosangue, showcasing premium materials, digital displays, and spacious rear seats. Step inside, and you'll see that Ferrari didn't just focus on performance, the Purosangue is a masterpiece of luxury. Unlike traditional Ferraris, this SUV features 4 full-sized seats, offering real comfort for passengers. The interior is wrapped in premium leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber, creating a perfect blend of sportiness and elegance. The dashboard features a fully digital cockpit, a state-of-the-art infotainment system, and a passenger display that lets co-drivers interact with performance data in real time. The suicide doors, yes, you heard that right, give the Purosangue a unique, futuristic touch while making rear seat access incredibly convenient. Scene. Breakdown of key features with visual highlights. Some standout features include Ferrari's world-first active suspension system, which adjusts in real time for optimal handling. The Purosangue also boasts a 1,473-watt Burmester sound system, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a high-tech driver assistance suite. While Ferrari is known for keeping things driver-focused, they've included enough tech in the Purosangue to compete with the best luxury SUVs on the market. Scene. Price tag appearing on the screen with dramatic sound effects. Now, let's talk about the price, because this isn't your average SUV. The 2025 Ferrari Purosangue starts at around $400,000, and that's before customization. With Ferrari's extensive personalization options, most buyers will spend well over $500,000 on their unique build. But for those who can afford it, the Purosangue is worth every penny, combining Ferrari's heritage with modern practicality. Scene. Selling points highlighted with animated text overlays. So, what makes the Purosangue a must-have? First, it's Ferrari's first SUV, making it a collector's dream. Second, it's the only SUV in the world with a naturally aspirated V12, ensuring an exhilarating drive. Third, its exclusivity. Ferrari is keeping production numbers limited, ensuring that only a lucky few will own one. Fourth, it blends performance and luxury better than any other high-performance sub on the market. Whether you're looking for speed, style, or status, the Purosangue delivers on all fronts. Scene. Final shots of the Purosangue driving off into the sunset. And there you have it, the 2025 Ferrari Purosangue, a groundbreaking machine that proves Ferrari can dominate any category it enters. What do you think? Would you choose the Purosangue over rivals like the Lamborghini Urus Performante or the Aston Martin DBX 707? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more automotive content. Thanks for watching AutoHub Info, and we'll see you in the next video.